Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Abdul Aziz Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So right now we are going to try how do we mirroring our Android device using Wi-Fi. So in the previous video I have tried installing Scrcpy on Windows and I have tried mirroring our Android device using USB cable. And right now we are going to try mirroring and control our Android device using Wi-Fi. Alright, so let's open our browser. And as we can see, this is Scrcpy on GitHub. And with Scrcpy, we can display and control our Android device, which is connected on USB or TCP/IP or Wi-Fi. It's work on Linux, Windows, and macOS. So if you are using Windows, you can watch my previous video how do we install Scrcpy on our Windows, and if you are using Ubuntu or Linux you can watch this video. And if you want to know how do we mirroring our Android device using Wi-Fi, you can still watch this video. Alright, so let's focus on this. And as we can see, to install Scrcpy on Ubuntu, we can use Snap package for simplicity. So let's do that. Firstly, we need to open our terminal and we need to type, let's say, sudo snap and install Scrcpy, and just press enter and provide our password. And as we can see, download, fetch, and check assertion for snap. Alright, still working. And don't forget to connect our device or our computer to internet connection. And as we can see right now, Scrcpy has been installed in our Ubuntu. So if we want to mirroring our Android device using USB cable, our step is enough right now. But if we want to mirroring our Android device using Wi-Fi, we need to install another package. So we need to install ADB. So let's say sudo apt-get adb, and I think install, and just press yes, and yes, finish. So let's see on documentation, and as we can see, to run our Android device we can simply plug our Android device and execute Scrcpy. And let's see, we are going to focus on this wireless. As you can see, why we need to install ADB, because Scrcpy uses ADB to communicate with the device. Alright, so make sure we connect with same network or same Wi-Fi. In this section, I use my phone hotspot, as we can see right here. And the next step is we need to get our device IP. We can see on settings, about phone, and status, and we can see our IP address. Alright. And the next step is we need to enable ADB over TCP/IP on our device by typing ADB TCP/IP 555. So the next step is we need to connect our Android device. Firstly, connect to USB and connect to our computer. Let's do that. Alright, once our Android device has connect with our computer, the next step is open terminal again, and we are going to clear this. And the next step is we need to type ADB TCP/IP 555 and press enter. And as we can see, daemon not running, and we see daemon started successfully. And the next step, we can see unplug our Android device, and I have unplugged. And to connect our Android device using Wi-Fi, we can simply type ADB connect device IP 555. Alright, and we replace this device IP with our Android device IP address. Let's do that. Clear. So we can simply type ADB connect and then type our Android device IP. and then 555 and press enter, and we see connected to our Android device IP address. And to run or to mirroring our Android device, we can simply type Scrcpy. Press enter. Alright, and as we can see, this is our Android device connected with our Wi-Fi, and I think with same Wi-Fi, and look like this. So we can simply type ADB connect, type our Android device IP address, and we can type Scrcpy, and we can display and control our Android device. We can run and we can reply WhatsApp message from computer and so on. Alright, so I think that's enough my video today. If you have any questions or comment, write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much and see you again on the next video.